crow, crow. I saw a crow perched on the tree. Crows are highly intelligent birds known for their problem-solving abilities. Duck, duck. The duck swam gracefully in the pond. Ducks have webbed feet, which help them swim and find food in the water. Eagle, eagle. The eagle soared majestically in the sky. Eagles are powerful birds of prey with excellent eyesight and sharp talons. Peacock, peacock. The peacock displayed its beautiful feathers. Male peacocks use their vibrant plumage to attract mates during courtship rituals. Sparrow, sparrow. A sparrow built a nest in our garden. Sparrows are small birds known for their cheerful chirping and adaptability to urban environments. Hen, hen. The hen laid an egg in the co-op. Hens are domesticated birds that are kept for egg production. Owl, owl. I heard the hooting of an owl at night. Owls are nocturnal birds with keen hearing and silent flight. Swan, swan. The swan glided gracefully on the lake. Swans are elegant birds known for their long necks and graceful movements. Pigeon, pigeon. Pigeons gathered in the city square. Pigeons are common urban birds and are often seen as a symbol of peace. Parrot. Parrot. The parrot imitated my words. Parrots are intelligent birds capable of mimicking human speech and displaying vibrant colors. Woodpecker. Woodpecker. I spotted a woodpecker pecking on a tree trunk. Woodpeckers have strong beaks and specialized skills for drilling holes in trees. Crane. Crane. The crane gracefully flew over the wetlands. Cranes are tall birds known for their long legs and elaborate courtship dances. Myna. Myna. I heard the myna bird singing in the garden. Mynas are known for their ability to mimic sounds and their chattering calls. Coal. Coal. I heard the distinct call of the coal in the forest. Coals are migratory birds known for their unique vocalizations during the breeding season.